Right then guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you're joining me fitting this Quicksilver valved exhaust system to this Audi RSQ8. So within this video you're going to get to see the installation of the actual system itself, the looks, but most importantly you're going to be able to see the before and after sound clips. Right guys, so we're going to end the video here. You've heard the before and after sound clips. If you are interested in getting a Quicksilver exhaust system for your car, please get in touch as we are an authorised Quicksilver dealer.